Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Avast Free Antivirus on your computer. So for downloading that, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Avast Free Antivirus. So here you can see Avast Free Antivirus is showing. Now click on it. So now by clicking on install, you can download Avast Free Antivirus on your computer. So this will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So now here you can see downloading has been completed and it is now installing. If any pop-up shows, click on yes and this will take a few seconds to install. So just wait for it. So now here you can see Avast Free Antivirus has been successfully installed. Now by clicking on open, we can open this antivirus in our computer. So let me open this. So here you can see it is loading. So here you can see antivirus has been launched. So now by clicking on run smart scan, we can scan our computer for viruses. So this is how you can download free antivirus on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.